I am Ashik, S3BB student in ML College. Here I am presenting seminar on the topic price. Okay, we are discuss about the price. Price is defined in section 2 of 10 of the Sale of Goods Act as the money consideration for the sale of goods. It is a fundamental principle that no sale can take place without a price. If the owner delivers the goods to another person without receiving any consideration in the form of price, the transaction is only a gift and not a sale. Hence, the consideration for a sale is called price. In a contract of sale, the price dominates the transaction. And one is that fixation of price. Various methods of fixing the price are as follows. That is, the price must be fixed by both the parties at the time of contract itself. In such a case, the parties are free to fix any price, and even they are entitled to fix a very low price, and no one can, including the court, question the same. And B, both the parties may enter to an agreement regarding the manner in which the price may be fixed. They may agree that the buyer shall pay such amount for the goods as other pay. In such a case, notice must be given to the buyer as to how much others pay. And C, where the price is not fixed, it can be determined in the course of dealing between the parties, or as it is sometimes called, the market price of the goods. And D, where the price has not been fixed by the parties, the buyer should pay a reasonable price. And what is a reasonable price? Is a question of fact depending upon the circumstance of each case. And two mode of payment of price. In the absence of an agreement to the contrary, the seller is not bound to accept any kind of payment other than the currency of the country. He is not bound to accept payment of check unless he has accepted check of previous occasions. By common consent, the seller may accept payment by a check or draft, B, by a bank guarantee, C, by a letter of credit, and D, by any other mode. And 3 is agreement to sell at valuation of third parties. Section 10 of the Sale of Goods Act deals with the fixation of the price by the third parties, and it provides as follows. That A, the contract may provide that the price should be fixed by a third party, and B, if the third party fails to fix the price, the agreement becomes void. And C, but if in portions of such as contract, goods are delivered by one party and accepted by the other, he is bound to pay a reasonable price for the goods so accepted. And D, if one of the parties prevents the third party from fixing the price, he would be liable to pay damages to other contracting party.